heroism is a little skewed in our theater films, where men are also rooting for men, women are also rooting for those men. So basically, a woman as a hero is not something that visually appealing for the majority.
Tapsi, my question to you next is, Rani Kashyap doesn't really shy away from talking about expressing her sexuality and what she wants from her marriage. Why do you think there is still this, inhibition, especially in arranged marriage, where women are unable to talk about what they sexually desire from their partners?
This problem of not discussing about what you want out of your partner in your marriage is not just a one-sided problem. It's a two-sided problem. Even men don't discuss it with their better half, so to say. So it's and because it's sex is as it is considered a taboo to talk about, but not to otherwise. I mean, it's weird. It's what do you call it? It's an oxymoron or a double standard of a certain sort, because if you look at our population, it doesn't really support the notion of this being a little a taboo topic or a taboo thing to speak about. Might as well talk about it so we are able to manage it a little better.
ये hypocrisy है. When Taapsee said it,
हाँ,
मेरे
hypocrisy
दिमाग में
है.
यही चल रहा था.
Yeah.
Hypocrisy है.
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
आप देश में मतलब सेक्स के बारे में या इंटरकोर्स के बारे में या सेक्सुअल डिजायर्स के बारे में नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन we are the second largest population in the world.
Population in the world, yeah.
So talking a little bit about Rani's character, her expectations, how her world in her head is very different from when she actually comes face to face with the reality of it. How did you have any character? How did you go about playing this? Like, initially she's naive and very cute kind of a person who has very different ideas in life.
She's always been the person who is very clear and honest about her desires and what she wants and what she thinks of herself. Because she's always like, she knows about her, the fact that she is the alpha. She is very aware about that, and she uses her sexuality to her advantage. And it's not the obvious cute sweet girl definition that we have known till now, right? So that part of things is a slightly tricky thing for me to perform, because I don't really relate to that. Other than that, those layers of performances are something that an actor craves to get. The different emotions that you have with the character. I mean, it is something that you'd really go out to get such kind of a role.
So Vikrant, to you, my question is, do you think it is very much? I mean, given the Indian scenario, it is very difficult for a man to move on with the same partner after they have known that the person has probably cheated on them?
I beg to differ with you. I really don't think it's a man issue. It's a human issue. Like, nobody likes being disrespected. Nobody likes being cheated on. Nobody likes being taken on a ride, whether it's a man or a woman or anyone from the LGBTQ plus community too. It's a human sensitivity issue.
Taapsee, do you think in the film we see Rani being judged harshly because she's a woman who has been part in an extramarital affair?
See, I don't know if she's judged harshly and all, because if you I can only decide from my point of view. If I would have been in Rishu's position where my partner would have cheated on me, I won't be able to have the relationship with the person anymore. That's how I look at infidelity from my side. Why Rani has been targeted extra is because the husband got murdered and she is the prime accused, and she had a history of cheating on him. So all this together just puts her in a position where her character is totally assassinated. Maybe a little more in a more derogatory way than it would have been if it's a man. Relatively more.
One of my another questions is in your journey in Bollywood, what are some of the stereotypes that you have come face to face, the female stereotypes that you have come face to face and you've broken?
Heroism is a little skewed in our theater films, where men are also rooting for men, women are also rooting for those men. So basically, a woman as a hero is not something that visually appealing for the majority, which is slightly hypocritical and a notion that I would really want to break, because I need to understand, is it a opposite gender attract thing, or is it just like only a man can be the hero? What is the problem? Why this disbalance? So that's one notion that I would want to break.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.